Hi, I'm Tucker Claggett, and I run the workers' compensation practice here at Southern Maryland Law. I've been doing this for about 30 years, and I have represented literally thousands of people here in Southern Maryland. I've seen a lot in that time. I know how the system works, I know how the courts work, and I'd be happy to help you through your personal legal situation. I offer a free consultation for workers' compensation cases. You won't pay anything to meet with me, and you'll be under no obligation to sign anything when we meet either. I'm a very low-pressure salesman kind of guy. I think my personality and my experience speak for themselves, but if for some reason we don't click, that's fine. I'll be happy to still answer all your questions, walk you through the process, and tell you a lot of free advice. I believe one of the reasons people choose to retain me over some other attorneys is because I want to get you through this process with the minimum amount of pain and the minimum amount of stress. And I can promise you my staff feels the same way. We purposefully hire people like that here at Southern Maryland Law. When you call to make an appointment, you'll talk to my paralegal first. She'll ask you some basic intake questions and then try to get you to schedule an appointment. That appointment can be either here in person at our Waldorf or Lexington Park offices, or it can be by phone or by Zoom. We will do whatever is convenient for you. You don't have to bring anything specific when we meet, but if you want to get a list of things that are good to have, you can take a look at our free legal guide to workers' compensation in Maryland, available here on our website. In fact, I recommend people take a look at that guide because it gives a good overview of the process, explains how things will generally go, and will answer a lot of your basic questions. Also, we have actually a lot of free legal advice on our website, and I encourage you to take a look at it and poke around. It's one of the things we pride ourselves on here. When you and I meet, we'll start by talking about how the accident happened so I can make sure it is compensable under Maryland law. This is usually pretty easy, as I'm very familiar with the laws that make a case compensable under Maryland workers' compensation law. Then next, we'll talk about your injuries and your medical care. I'll have to know what health care providers you've seen so far and what they think might happen in your case going forward. Then I can give you a little bit of a preview of the likely road ahead. Now, I'm no doctor, but I've seen a lot of cases that probably seen one like yours before, and I can give you some general idea of where your case might be headed. I will then explain your rights under Maryland law and how to protect your rights during this process. You will have a lot of specific questions that pertain to your particular case, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions and walk you through the process. If you haven't yet filed a formal claim with the Maryland Workers' Compensation Commission, I will make sure we do that when we meet as well, because that's really a number one priority sort of thing, and I'll be happy to explain why. At the end, I'll give you a chance to retain me. You can sign a retainer agreement that we will discuss in detail, or you can take it with you and sign it later. Again, I'm a very low-pressure salesman kind of guy. Regardless, you won't have to put up any money to meet with me or retain me. We will advance all the costs in your case and get them out of your recovery at the end. Same goes for my fees. This is a contingent fee case, meaning the fees are a percentage and they come out of your benefits at the very, very end of the case. So you won't have to put up any money to retain me. I hope you contact us for a consultation today so we can begin working together. Just give us a call or shoot us a message on our website and we'll contact you to schedule an appointment. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to meeting you.